Morning guys, welcome back to another video. Before we even get into the video guys, just do me a favor. Just smash that like button immediately. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And drop a comment. It's another work morning guys. Currently going to work right now. You don't know the routine by now. Take Nats to, where am I taking you Nats? To ends or to work?
Work. I don't go to ends.
You don't go to ends?
No.
And taking Malika to school. Say hi Malika. Come on, say hi. Say hi. I'm going to school. And I'm taking Malia today home. What is it, Malia? Guys, we're in the parking, so it looks like we're really dark because there's not much light on here. Yes, if you do the face.
What happens if you know my face?
Know your face? No makeup type of time.
No, me that's my banner for some.
My face look whiter than it's supposed to be. You know?
I look up powder.
You know, in time somebody put on makeup and don't put on a mask.
No, this is not. It's just because I put on moisturizer or something.
Okay. Yes, guys, another work day.
Not too much.
Love shout out to all the persons who are always here.
That's what I'm doing.
Give thanks for the sunshine.
Yes, mommy.
Yeah, sun is beautiful. Give thanks to the persons who are always here, by the way. You guys make this channel, this community, this platform what it is. We appreciate every single one of you guys. You know the people from day one, from when we only had 5 subscribers.
From day 2, from day 3.
From day 3. Alright guys, so this is a little bit of traffic. We put a truck on the block off whole road. Would nobody can move, you know? Guys, when you say that the light up on green on the truck, the block off the road, you know? So all who feel like say, oh, there's not bad drivers in Canada as well. Look at that. Look at that truck, guys.
Hi guys, I just want to say a big thank you for all that have watched my last vlog. I want to say I feel the love. I shared a bit about my story and I feel the love and I really appreciate it. I'm glad that my little short story could help to uplift some persons.
It's actually a long story though.
It's like 6 minutes.
Yeah, but in the 6 minutes that you're sharing, it doesn't take away the fact of the magnitude of the story. It's I'm always telling Nats that she have a story to share, right? If you guys know where she's coming from to where she is right now, it's just nothing but proudness. You understand? It's just proudness and just gratefulness, even on my part. Because I'm not gonna sit here and pretend like say oh, my life was perfect, because it wasn't perfect either, as you guys know. But two imperfect persons come together and create a perfect person.
Oh god. Yes guys, thank you for all the love. Good morning.
Yeah? Your watch, right? Yeah. Okay guys, so I had to pause the video because I was running late for work. So I had to kind of like step on the gas a little bit in order to make it in time. Anyways, I'm now on my way to go and pick up Malika from school. It's such a beautiful day. Look, oh man, beautiful Grand Prairie, Alberta. Let's do it, guys. Oh, there you are. Hi. You enjoyed your walk in the forest? She did really good? Is that so? Where's our backpack? Okay, let's go and get your bag. I heard you did really good. Yeah, I did? Ready to go to Auntie Jean? Okay, let's do it. Do it, MJ, let's do it. Alright guys, so of course after I pick up Malika from school, I take her today home for the rest of the day. So she go and reunite with our sister. But a lot of you guys probably wondering what is the school system like here in Alberta or like here in Grand Prairie, right? So I did a video where I broke it down in depth. I'm not sure if you guys have seen that video. Probably not, because it was one of the earlier videos we did. We did it like over a year ago. But just a quick breakdown. So Malika is now in kindergarten, right? Now you start kindergarten at 5 years old here in Alberta. Now at 5 years, kindergarten would be the equivalent to basic school really in Jamaica. So at 5 years old. Now at 3 years old, if it is that you have a child who is developmentally delayed, like in Malika's case she's autistic, you can start pre-K, right? Pre-K is where they try to get the child up to speed by the time they're ready for kindergarten. But it's not available for all kids. It's only for kids specifically with this disability delay most times, right? Now they have a few spots that you can pay to get your kids to go to. If it is that your kids is normal, atypical, then you have a few spots that you can pay to get them enrolled as well. So that's why Malika started school at 3 years old, because she is autistic, so she did the pre-K program and now she's in kindergarten, right? Her sister now, typically she would just start school at kindergarten. So the thing would be to go to day home or daycare all the way up to 5 years old, where you actually start school. But we're gonna try and get our sister in the pre-K program, but it won't be free for her, just because it's reserved for kids with special needs. So she's gonna have to, well, not she, me and our mother is gonna would have to pay for her. Alright, if you're here so far in the vlog, guys, just take a second to hit that like button, right? Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. It really helps us out. And drop a comment. Alright, guys, taking Malika today home. See you guys when I get there. Yeah, and don't give Auntie Jean any trouble today. Okay? Okay, Mama? So it's so pretty today. Yeah, so her sister is not feeling well. She had a fever from yesterday because her back teeth them come up, so I cannot give her a fever.
She's napping right now. She's so fussy.
She's fussy.
Yeah.
She's still warm. No?
Well, yeah, probably she's tired too. That's why
Yeah.
when I give her bottle, she knocked out right away.
Okay, she's tired. I think like her teeth is paining her. Maybe that's why she's fussy.
Yeah.
Okay, just keep it posted. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye, Malika.
Okay,
Bye bye. She's tired too. They went on a walk at school, so she's tired. Yeah, I prefer a day home instead of a daycare because the kids get that one-on-one attention. So that's why I prefer a day home over a daycare. Well, everybody's different. Everybody's different, guys. Back to work I go. Yes, guys. So you might have noticed that I always take my lunchtime to go and grab Malika. So now I'm starving. So now I'm just running to the co-op, which is, you guys know by now, the very dear expensive supermarket, to grab something to eat. Come along. Yeah, I don't even know what that is, so I grabbed it anyway. Looking for nice little snack, biscuit or something. All I'm thinking here, I think you have to cook. You understand? Upon that. Okay. Probably grab one of them chip cereal. As you guys know, price is not normal for desperate times. Call for desperate measures. Roll on for one of them. Up on the orange juice though. So guys, that came to $18, which is not that bad, but guess what? I bought the food and everything. I never buy no fork. Rookie mistake, guys. Rookie mistake. Anyways, I'll figure it out. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, so we have a little stash room here in the office. Thanks. Malia, how are you feeling? Scale of 1 to 10.
Yeah.
Yes? As in 5? Yes? Or 6? Baby have a fever, guys. She's teething still, so not much we can do but just give her some Tylenol. And Malika is over here being Malika. Hi, Malika. Who's gonna say hi first? Malia would have said hi, but I don't know that girl. Yeah, guys, in case you haven't noticed, it's now the end of the day. Pick up the kids. Pick up nuts already. She's just in a store doing some quick business. So we're outside waiting on her. Such a beautiful day today, guys. So just an update. The fire that was close to Grand Prairie is now under control. So there's not much smoke in the environment anymore, which is good. So everybody just out and about and just just having fun. The weather is beautiful. The weather is good. So that's always a good thing. Yeah, guys. So not sure what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, but we're just gonna hang out at home, chill out, edit this video so you guys can see it. If you guys haven't already subscribed, by the way, if you like the content, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out, guys. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and share some videos, right? In case you guys are new here, we are Jamaicans, first and foremost, who migrated to Canada. So I'd say we're adopted Canadians. Came here the long route. Came as an international student, guys. Been through the ringer. Postgrad work permit process. And to the PR process. Gotten approval for permanent residence, and now we're just doing our time. Then we can apply for citizenship, which is the next goal. That is the next thing on the agenda, right? Of course, we'll take you guys along for the ride as usual. Yeah, as I said at the beginning of this video, huge shout out to all the subscribers, all the viewers. If you're viewing the videos, take a second and just subscribe, right? Especially if you're watching on your TV, you have to be very intentional to subscribe. But if you like the content, just share some video, like some videos, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. So we're just gonna go home now. Dr. Malika, give her some medication and just hang out a little bit. You understand? Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Really appreciate you guys. This was just a day in our life kind of video. Nothing really structured. Come and say hi. Come and say hi. Come and say hi. I told you guys. Oh, she's so short.
Hi.
Well, I'm bringing the camera down here, so see that you're right.
Hi.
That's it?
You said to come and say hi. I'm saying hi.
Wow, it's such a beautiful day. Yeah, so what's on the agenda for today, guys? Yes, guys, so this is outskirts, Grand Prairie. One of the busier roads. One of the busier thoroughfare. Over there says Earls, by the way. Lots of Jamaicans work over there, so if you're watching this video and you work at Earls, smash a like on the video. I'm not going to call you by name, but I know every single one I know. Smash a like on the video. I understand. Big up on yourself. I hope you guys are having a good shift at work. Right? This is where the hockey games are played here in Grand Prairie Bandit Center. The name changed so often. It was Revolution Place, now it's the Bandit Center, and it was something else before. Depends on who the sponsor is. That's where that's like the hockey arena. All the big concerts and everything. Over there, so we try to keep. Right? Over here so was where the evacuees have to register and all of that too as well. So just a quick information about the city right here. So big up on yourself as well. Hope everybody watching this video is having a good day, is having a good night, having a good afternoon. You understand, no matter the circumstances, guys, just keep pushing, keep going towards your goal. And remember that a better day is around the corner, alright? Don't give up on your goals, guys. It doesn't matter how old you get. Don't feel like it's out of reach. It's within your reach, same way, alright? Go forward, go towards it one step at a time, because what? Slow progress is better than no progress, guys, and it doesn't matter how slow you move as long as you don't stop. Alright, guys? See you guys in the next video.